Here in this video, I have all the ingredients that I need for this recipe, and they will be on the description box and also the comment section. Please do endeavor to check them out. I advise if you're on a weight loss journey, you should try out this soup, and the list of the ingredients I will be using are here that I have been taking for over a week now, and it's really helping me in losing my weight. It is helping me in my weight journey. I have the parsley leaf. You can use the fresh one if you don't have the dried one. I have chicken breast. I have mint leaf. I have ginger. I have carrots and potato. And also, most importantly, the celery, salt to taste, and black pepper. I will start by adding in my potatoes in my pot or in my pan, whatever you choose to use. My chicken breast, well diced into small sizes for easy cooking. Black pepper as desired. Some water to give the chicken and potato proper cook, and I'll be adding one chicken cube. I'll give this a proper stir and allow to cook until the potato is soft. Meanwhile, I will be also blending all my vegetables, which is my celery, my ginger, hey dear, welcome back to Gracefully EUT, my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back, and if you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and hit on the first bell. This enables you to get notified each time I upload a new video, so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share, comment. So I added my mint leaf and gave that a proper blend, and then once my potato is tenderly soft, I will add all my vegetables. I added my carrots, my blended celery and ginger and mint. Now I'm adding my parsley leaf. At this time you can add broccoli, cauliflower if you choose to, but I am not a fan of broccoli, so I skip that. So I will just allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then it is ready to serve. If you are on a weight loss journey, please give this recipe a try and let me know how it works so far for you. I'll be serving this as my lunch. I serve this as my lunch, and it's so helpful and healthy. So if you watched it this time, I want to say thank you and a mega shout out to you. I appreciate, and until next video, don't forget to always stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.